Yesterday we sailed from Brighton to the Isle of Wight. We are now in Cowes, and when we arrived here after 9 hours, we didn't really film a lot of it because I was seasick for about 5 of these 9 hours. We had really big waves. We were surfing down the waves and I was seasick, and I was actually lying on the cockpit floor and unable to move for about 5 hours. But the last 2 hours have been really nice. It was calm and we got to see a lot from the Solent, and it was really beautiful because the sky cleared up and the waves calmed down. And then we arrived here, and after we arrived here we learned that the United Kingdom went into lockdown. It started yesterday afternoon after we arrived, and today also the marina here closed its doors. And we don't know how long they'll be closed. I mean, it should be okay for us, but it also means that the facilities here are closed, so we no longer have the possibility to take a shower on land or wash our clothes. So this is gonna be a little bit of a challenge, but we will just have to do this now the old-fashioned way and wash our stuff per hand and shower on the boat, which will be fine because we are used to being alone on the boat. And but obviously now that everything is closed, the restaurants, the pubs, the shops, we can't really explore the island like we planned. But we see maybe we can manage to see some of it. Yeah, of course we hope that this won't take forever and that we can at some point continue with our journey along the British coast, and then maybe, hopefully, sail to Spain sometime soon. But yeah, for now we'll have to stay put and make ourselves comfortable in this new situation. So this morning I turned this little bag into this. This is going to be our new fruit and vegetable hammock for the salon, so that we can have more fresh fruit and vegetables on longer passages. And we have been working on some indoor projects. We also try to get the boat dry because it still gets wet every morning. Because we have no insulation, so the condensed water is like everywhere, and we have to see if we can fix this a little bit, because otherwise our stuff will be wet every day. So that's what we've been doing. We've also been sitting out the lockdown. Today is the first day of week 2 of the UK lockdown. And we've been staying inside most of the time because the weather also wasn't that good. I mean, it's sunny all the time, but we had like strong winds yesterday and the day before. So but today it's a little bit more quiet and a little bit more comfortable again on the boat. And so we just try to get as much boat work done as possible, and then hopefully soon probably in May we'll be able to move forward. So this is where we will hang the hammock. Max is just looking for some screws, like the ones we used on for the ukulele here. It's those little rings actually, and Max is looking if we have more. Any luck?
Not so far, not yet. Still looking. Let's see. Vi vil tage en stor hånd i schraube. Ganz kleine Schraube.
So Max is sanding our dinghy. We want to replace the varnish and we only have a little bit of varnish left. So we want to try it on the dinghy and to see if this is the varnish that we want to buy also for the superstructure and the cockpit here, where we want to change the varnish as well. Yeah, so he is busy doing that. He complained a little bit that it takes longer than he thought, but yeah, it should be fine. We have all the time in the world. We can't go anywhere, so yeah, there's time to play. We are in week 2 of the UK lockdown, and we have been doing some really nice boat projects that we otherwise wouldn't have done in a very long time probably. Yeah, we have prepped the dinghy for varnishing and also decided to put a new paint on it. So the dinghy is our tryout before we move on to Makani and do everything on the boat itself. Yeah, we managed to order the varnish and the paint today. There's a shop here that's still where you can still order and pick up stuff, so that's really good. Yeah, so we don't really get bored. I think our boat will never look as good as after the COVID-19 crisis of 2020. Good morning and welcome to another ordinary day on the boat. Or is it? Today is my 35th birthday and I am celebrating it on an island like I always wanted, so I got that. Apart from that, yeah, nothing's really going to be different than from another birthday. We can't obviously go to a restaurant or anything because everything is still closed. But yeah, other than that, I'm happy to celebrate 35 years of being on this gorgeous planet, being part of an amazing adventure, and being able to celebrate it with Max and nobody else here on the water. And yeah, it's gonna be calm, quiet, and beautiful, so not too shabby. So what will happen today? So Max went to the supermarket. He's going to get my birthday lunch and lunch for the next few days. And yeah, we're gonna cook later. And I baked a cake yesterday. And to some of you, this may sound a little bit sad that I'm baking my own birthday cake, but I do this every year, so it's not that different from a regular birthday. And we obviously plan to have some gin tonic tonight and to just celebrate that. Yeah, I'm another year older, not wiser, but older.